Okay, today we're going to take a look at the Nitrous Express kit here we got for the old Camaro. We'll do a little unboxing and see what you get in the box. So this kit here, I don't know if we get a part number off of it or not, but this is pretty much the you got the arming switch here, all the wiring, the hose for the bottle, and a clamp, mounting clamp for the bottle, and then this kit here you get 2 nitrous solenoids and the actual plate itself. So we'll unbox it and have a look. Here's what we got in that first kit we looked at. This is the Nitrous Express Assassin's plate. It doesn't have the bar in it, so it's, you know, it's got the boosters right here on the inside that squirt straight down, and then you get the nitrous solenoid fittings, hoses, and then the fuel solenoid, and then the mounting plate. So I think I'll go ahead and install this and see how it goes. Okay, so I was looking at this on this plate deal here, and these solenoids get mounted this way on this plate, and your Y fitting splits your output, goes up to the bottom of it. And I looked through the kit because this thing's slotted, and you can see, you know, there's 2 little threaded spots here. Looks like they're supposed to be screws, and I looked back through my packaging that I already threw away, and there is no screws. So I'm going to have to find screws that'll fit in the bottom of this that I can use to mount these with. I don't know if this is going to be. We're going to open up this kit here and see if for some reason the screws that I'm looking for is in this pack. See if these screw into there. I got they screw in there. So if you want screws that fit that kit, you need to buy this kit so you'll get the screws. There you go, fellas.
I gotcha.
Well, I'm not a nitrous expert, and maybe I don't know what I'm doing, but this definitely ain't gonna work for my combination.
A few moments later.
Well, that last segment I shot, I'm not sure if this is how this is supposed to work, but I turned them sideways. They fit on there that way. It's just now the studs aren't long enough. I wanted to get the longer studs out, put them in, but I guess that'll work. Operator error. Okay, I got the carb mocked up. I'm still looking for one of the long bolts for the carburetor. I had to put the long studs, sorry, it's carburetor studs to mount it. But I wanted to go ahead and see how much clearance I had there between the nitrous solenoid. I get a drop plate with a carburetor, drop that air cleaner down, because I'm pretty sure the hood is not going to close. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure I'm not. So it'll close without the air cleaner on it, but we'll just have to see what we can get worked out. We might not be able to run the air cleaner, but sure does look good on there. I had these powder coated, had a powder coated to match, so look pretty good.